My name is Mike Rios. I'm here with my assistant, Pete Minio.
How you doing?
We're going to show you today how to assemble a Brita filter and then how to actually drink the water. First, you need to buy a Brita filter thing.
The pitcher.
Holds all the water, very important. The next thing is the filter, which actually filters the water with charcoal. The most important piece, which connects the filter and the pitcher, which allows the filtering process. Very important. And this is the top. Top serves two purposes, right?
Two.
Stops the water from coming out and shows you the level of the charcoal that is needed. Once it goes down, you need to replace the filter. When you first buy the Brita filter, what you first need to do is to soak the filter. So, soak it up to yay high. I usually let this baby soak for about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
After 15 minutes of soaking, you take out the filter and you dump the water. After this process is done, we're going to put together the Brita filter and do some more soaking to warm the whole Brita up.
Make sure it's in there nice and tight. Make sure that gray handle here, make sure the gray handle is snapped in real tight so nothing goes in there.
Yep. Now you place in the filter water. Good fit.
Yeah, always is.
Now, fill up the water, and then you wait about 15 minutes, let it filter, and then you dump it out again. After this is done, you dump the water, and then now you're actually ready to filter the water you're going to drink.
The first time you want to dump it out just to get any spare charcoal left over from the filter. Once that's out, you're usually ready to go.
Put water in here, you allow it to filter, and then after you let it filter, you drink it. After the water is filtered, you need to drink it because it's ready to drink.
Great waters, man.
Great waters, man.
Wow, that's good water.
Yeah. So basically, that's how you set up and assemble a Brita water and you drink it. Thank you for watching.
Have a